Hey, Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today we're going to dish on Limelight. They're going international. Let's talk about it. Stay tuned. Oh my god, so Limelight is going international. It's super exciting. So they partnered with L'Occitane and now they're going international. So stay tuned, they're coming to you. But you know what? They're not going to be called Limelight by Alcone anymore. They're going to be called Limelife. Limelife is coming to you international. So let's talk about it. Alright, so here are the dates. Boom. Alright, they're starting in Canada, March 1st, soft launch, hard launch, April 1st, then we go another month, UK, and then Germany, France, and Italy all at once, and Brazil, and Spain, and then, here you go, you can just look at it, right? But let's talk about this. What is this soft launch versus like phase 1 launch versus the second launch? Alright, warning, I'm gonna swear in this video, and I'm gonna take this way too seriously because it's not that serious and it doesn't even affect me personally and I'm so upset about it. But here it goes. If I was Limelight representative, I'd go fucking apeshit because you know what? I wanted to join up last year and I really almost did. And if I wouldn't be an executive by now because I'm just starting out in multi-level marketing. And so I wouldn't get to do this. And I have tons of friends overseas who would sign up with me, but I wouldn't be an executive. So let's talk about this Limelight, because this pisses me off. This is a shitty thing to do for your employees. Okay? Alright, so in phase 1 of their launches, only founding members or executives get to sign people up. Or wait, if you are lucky enough to be a Limelight person living in that country, you can sign people up. And then in phase 2, which is this open launch, but it's not really an open launch, you still have to be a star director, which is better because I mean, obviously you need you have to have 3 people underneath you, which I get it, it makes sense. I really do get it. I'm just angry about it. I get it, it makes sense. When you're starting in a new country, you want to send like your best people forward, the people that are really experienced at being mentors and know all about the product and how to deal with any issue that comes up. So I get why they're doing it, but I think it's crap. Let's talk about their name change, okay? So L'Occitane bought Limelight, but apparently there's some kind of like issues with trademark or something, and they had to go get a new trademark for Limelife. And I don't think it's even going to be Limelife by Alcone, it's just going to be called Limelife. So keep your old stuff because it's a collector's item. No, it's not. You'll know what if you got the old stuff because they'll say Limelight by Alcone, and the new stuff will say Limelight. And I believe they're changing it even in the US too, because quickly everybody on YouTube has been changing all their names to Limelife. So there's that. There's a couple more things I want to talk about because like I'm on a roll. I'm spilling the tea on this one. What the fuck? Why did everybody leave? Okay, I follow all these Limelight representatives because you know what? I know I'm bitching a lot. I really do like some of their products. And I really did enjoy a lot of the people that were selling it. I genuinely liked them and found their stupid videos putting on makeup actually helpful and entertaining. So, but they all left. Like, almost everybody I watched left. And I was pretty fucking shocked. And I know they're going away to like focus something else, follow their passion, disrupt, do all kinds of crazy things. But why do you think they left? Like, I get it, some people are like serial network marketers. And you go and your market is full. Like you get everybody you know bought all your products, and you know makeup users just like kind of like to use stuff and then try something new. So say you've sold, you've figured out, you've flooded your market, you're done. You're at the top of your game, time to move on to something else, time to sell your friends some other stuff that you like and you can make some more money at. I get that. I don't know that that's everything, and there's some story I want to tell. It's like trying to bubble out of me and tell me in the best possible way, but here it goes. I don't even know why. They were fucking overpaying the top executives. So when you're a top executive, you've got all these people below you that are also executives and lead directors and all these things. And they're called generations. So when you have other people under you that have like big groups under them, they're called generations. So, and they earn like an extra 2 or 3% on each generation, their sales, when you're lead director or higher up people. So all along for the last 2 years or so, they've been paying these people on all their generations, but they're only supposed to do them on the top 3, the first 3 tiers of generations. And they were paying all of them. And apparently this ended up being $10,000 or more a month for some people. $10,000 fucking dollars a month they were overpaying some of these people. And then they said, oh, our bad. And then, like, if you look at the email, it said like, oh, like this wasn't intentional. Like they knew they were doing this, which is so fucking weird. Why would they intentionally overpay tens of thousands of dollars? And what the hell is going on, Limelight? Is that why people left? Did they get mad because you were stopped overpaying them? I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. Like, I think in my brain I'm trying to connect the two, the mass exodus and the overpayment. But I don't think there probably is a connection, because it doesn't even make sense. Like, oh, you're not overpaying me anymore, I'm going to leave. But you're still making a lot of money, and you're still selling a really great product. And that's the other thing. Like, I get it. A lot of people say, I'm leaving, but I still love Limelight products. But like, do you? Tell me more. Why did you leave? Do you really like that foundation? Are you still wearing that powdery cakey foundation? Are you still struggling to put it on with your beauty blender? I don't know. That's what I want to know. So anyway, that's my Limelight rants. A big old Limelight rant for you. I love you, Limelight. Sorry for the critique, but you know what? Just don't do dumbass shit anymore and I won't complain. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills. Subscribe to my channel. I promise there won't be a rant again for a while, like till I do some other dumbass shit. I made it a year without a rant. Whew. I let it out, a year's worth of aggravation. And now we'll return to reviewing the products in a normal manner. Thank you so much. Love ya. Bye.